everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you the site construction of 820 square feet. So approximately you can say that 1900 square feet area, and this is quite big in order to have everything inside your house construction. You can have 3 rooms, 3 bedrooms, kitchen, hall, family lounge, living hall, everything. So I'm going to show you in this video how the construction is made and what type of rod you can use it in order to have a good strength. And when you are going to make another floor on this building, then you can have a good load transfer. In that particular case, what type of rod and what is the size of the rod you can use in order to have a good strength and load transfer. So as you can see that here uh, I have used 16 mm rod. This is all 16 mm rod. As you can see that this is quite, and this is council beam. What is the use of council beam? Council beam is hidden inside the wall. It will not reflect outside, but it will provide the strength from the inside. But as you can see that there are so many beams which is consecutive to another one, or they are adjacent to another one. What is the purpose of bringing so many beams together at a very less distance? As you can see that this is beam number 1, this is beam number 2, this is beam number 3, that is beam number 4, and this is 5. The distance between one to another beam is very less, because there is a reason behind it. Why we have used the beam in a very less area compared to more area. Probably many of them, I have seen that they are using the beam at one place over there, and the next beam will be at the corner. So actually, when you are going to construct second floor, third floor, and fourth floor, where the load will get transferred, the load will get transferred on these beams. And if you have many number of beams consecutive to each other or adjacent to each other, then you can find that the load is distributed very uniformly, and it will provide a very good strength in case of any natural disasters. So that is the reason there are 5 beams in this area. Coming to another part of this is another part where you can see that 1 2 3 4 beams, and this is 5 beam, and this is a one long beam coming right from the bottom, right from the corner. It is coming and it will go up to the front. So it is quite big site. Construct a house of area approximately 1900 square feet. And coming to the corner beam, this beam, as you can see that this beam is very long beam, and this beam and this duct both are connected to each other, because I'll tell you what is the use of duct. As you know that duct is used to pass all the pipes of your toilet and everything, your water sewage system, everything will go through the duct. So that is the reason there is a duct provided over there. There are 2 ducts in this building. This is duct number 1. As you can see that this is duct number 1, and this is duct number 2. Because in this site, in this construction, the engineer have provided almost 7 toilets. As you can see that, I will show you where are the toilets in the next videos, and what is the importance of these ducts. If these ducts are not there, what problem you can face in order to do your plumbing work. So right from the bottom, right from the corner, I will show you how this site looks like. As you can see that this is quite big area where you can have all your requirement fulfilled. And this is the stair which is coming right from the ground floor, and it will go up to a second floor. So this particular area is vacant right now, we because this stair will go up to second floor, so we are not going to do rod work or any kind of construction over here, and we will do it at the second floor. So coming to this area, I will explain you about this area in yesterday's videos, and this is the area which is from the front, as you can see that. So the main purpose of making this video is that here you can see how the rod is used, how you can distribute your loads, and how you can make your site or make your building reliable and very strong. And this is a kind of building which construction where you can build so many floors, because if you have any planning of making another floor and another floor and another floor, every floor the base is this, so it means that the load will get transferred on this beam. So that is the reason the beams are very close. As you can see that these beams are very close to each other. And coming to this part, as I have already talked about the council beam, this is a council beam. As you can see that the width of the council beam is very less, but the width of the normal beam is very high, because this particular council beam will get inside the wall. So it will not, you cannot see this council beam outside, but you can see these beams outside. These are hidden beams or council beams, so that is the reason they have provided it. So upon this build, upon this beam, you can build a another wall, and you can have your construction adjacent to this particular beam also. So it will provide a good strength if you want to build further on the top of first floor. So that is the reason they have provided a council beam. And coming to the extreme last of this site construction, this, as you can see, this start from here. Here they have provided a 16 rod, starting from there until last. They have used 16 rod. So make sure that if you are doing construction, don't forget to use 16 rod instead of 12 rod, because mostly many of them, a contractor or the builder, they will advise you to use 12 rod, because making a construction or doing construction 12 rod with 12 rod is very easy. They have less effort, less time consuming, so they will tell you to use 12 rod to have a good strength. But don't go with 12 you should go with 16 rod in order to have a good strength. So hope you have understand everything, and you have understand the site also, how does it looks like. I have shown you the site right from there, starting from there, and it will end to here. So I will give you the 360-degree rotational view, so that you can understand the areas, the construction as of now in a detailed way. So tomorrow the work will proceed, and there will be another beam will be coming over there. So I will show you while they are preparing for the beam column, and then you can understand how the design is made and how the column is being designed, and which column is placed or which beam is placed at which place, and why they have used beam, and what is the purpose behind it to using in that particular place or that particular area. And the full design of this site you don't know, so probably you won't understand in a better way, but roughly I have given you some ideas about this site. Hope you have understand, and I will make next videos in that I will be explaining each and everything very clearly right from the top. And I will go also inside the site so you can see the dimension of the room, and and the size of the duct and the kitchen, and what are the uh, um, rooms are there, how many rooms with living rooms like dining rooms, and what is the area of that, is that area is sufficient enough. So everything I will be covering in the next video. Till that, stay tuned, stay happy. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day.